Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an essay about why school is important, especially for elementary school students. This is a very common topic in school, and many students think it is easy. But when they start writing, they only write 2 or 3 short sentences. So in this lesson, I will guide you step by step. I will explain what to write in each paragraph, why it is important, and how you can add your own ideas so you do not get stuck copying the sample. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to organize your ideas clearly and confidently. Let's go step by step. Check this out. Introduction paragraph. Explain the main idea. First, let's talk about the introduction. In this paragraph, you introduce the topic. You explain what school is and why it is important in general. Here is the full sample introduction. School is an important place where children learn many new things every day. It helps us grow, become smarter, and prepare for the future. Going to school teaches us not only lessons from books, but also important life skills. Now let's break this down carefully. The first sentence tells us that school is important and explains what happens there. The second sentence explains how school helps us grow and prepare for the future. The third sentence shows that school teaches more than just book knowledge. This introduction is good because it clearly answers the question, why is school important? Now, how can you elaborate this part without copying? You can. Describe how you feel about going to school. Mention when you started school. Add one more general reason. For example, you may write, I feel happy when I go to school every morning. School has been part of my life since I was young. It helps us discover our talents and interests. These extra ideas make your introduction longer and more personal. Second paragraph. Talk about subjects and learning. Now let's move to the second paragraph. In this paragraph, you explain what we learn in school and why these subjects are useful. Here is the full sample paragraph. At school, we learn subjects like math, English, science, and social studies. These subjects help us understand the world around us. For example, math teaches us how to solve problems, and English helps us read and write better. Learning these subjects helps us become knowledgeable and confident. Let's understand this step by step. The first sentence lists some subjects. The second sentence explains that these subjects help us understand the world. The third sentence gives specific examples of math and English. The fourth sentence explains the result. We become knowledgeable and confident. This paragraph is important because it gives clear examples, not just general words. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can. Add another subject like art or physical education. Give another example of how a subject helps you. Explain how learning makes you feel proud. For example, you may write, Science teaches us about nature and the human body. Social studies helps us learn about history and different cultures. When I understand a lesson, I feel proud of myself. Adding examples makes your essay stronger. Third paragraph, discipline and responsibility. Now let's move to the third paragraph. This paragraph talks about discipline and responsibility. Here is the full sample paragraph. School is also important because it teaches us discipline and responsibility. We learn to follow rules, complete our homework on time, and respect our teachers and classmates. These habits help us become responsible adults in the future. Let's break it down clearly. The first sentence introduces discipline and responsibility. The second sentence gives examples like following rules and doing homework. The third sentence explains how these habits help us in the future. This paragraph is very important because school is not only about subjects, but also about behavior. Now, how can you add more ideas here? You can. Talk about waking up early for school. Mention wearing uniforms neatly. Explain how responsibility helps at home, too. For example, you may write, I learned to manage my time. I learned to listen carefully in class. These habits help me become more organized. These details show that you understand the value of discipline. Fourth paragraph, friendship and social skills. Now we move to the fourth paragraph. This paragraph explains that school is important because of friendship. Here is the full sample paragraph. Another reason school is important is because we make friends there. We learn how to share, work in groups, and help each other. Playing and studying with friends makes school enjoyable and helps us develop good social skills. Let's understand this clearly. The first sentence introduces friendship. The second sentence explains what we learn from friends. The third sentence shows how friendship makes school enjoyable. This paragraph is important because school is not only about studying, it is also about learning how to be a good friend. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can. Describe a group project. Mention a best friend at school. Explain how friends help you during difficult times. For example, you may write, "My friends help me when I do not understand a lesson. We play together during recess. Working in groups teaches me teamwork." These ideas make your essay more lively and personal. Conclusion. End your essay properly. Now let's talk about the conclusion. The conclusion is where you repeat the main idea and end the essay positively. Here is the full sample conclusion. In conclusion, school is important because it gives us education, teaches us good behavior, and helps us make friends. It prepares us for a bright future. That is why we should always value our school and try our best to learn every day. Let's break this down. The first sentence summarizes the main reasons. The second sentence talks about the future. The third sentence encourages us to appreciate school. This is a strong conclusion because it is clear and positive. Now, how can you elaborate your conclusion? You can. Add a sentence about being thankful. Encourage students to study hard. Share your final feeling. For example, you may write, "I am thankful for my school and teachers. I will always try my best in class. School is a special place in my life." So that's how you write an essay about why school is important for elementary school students, step by step, paragraph by paragraph, and sentence by sentence. Remember, do not just copy the sample. Use it as a guide. Add your own examples, your own experiences, and your own feelings. That will make your essay unique and meaningful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with another topic you want to learn. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next lesson.